Today I'm going to show you how to make some crunchy taco cups. Real simple and easy to make. Check them out. Oh, and I'm going to say it's two things of excitement going on right now. One, I'm cooking for my wife. This is probably the first time that I'm not on the grill or out, outside on the grill or using the smoker or whatever. I'm actually inside the kitchen, preparing the whole thing. So my wife's happy. You'll see at the end. Well, we'll look. We'll try to figure out, is she happy? You know what I mean? Does it taste good? But you can see it all over her face. It's good. And the other thing is, this is the first time since I started my channel that I'm able to even cook in my own kitchen. Got to catch a red eye tonight back to Maryland, so I can be at work tomorrow. But we're going to make it happen. Stay tuned. My lovely wife here about to do the taste test. Let's go, boo.
Alright, see what happens.
Is it good, baby?
Mm-hmm. Very good.
A good suggestion for Taco Tuesday. Real fast, easy to prepare. That's it. Thank you, boo.